So today we're gonna be installing this new exhaust. We're gonna see how it sounds like. So we're gonna give you all some sound clips of what it sounds like stock, and then what it sounds like with these Corsa mufflers. So this is the Corsa Extreme. It comes out the side, so we're just gonna show you what it sounds like stock versus when these go on. So we're gonna do a little install real fast, and then we'll do some sound clips of what it sounds like, and then videos what it sounds like driving. So we'll get that started for you. So we're gonna give y'all, it's not a cold start, but it's not anything crazy. It's not loud by any means. So let's see what it sounds like. So it sits right here. It's gonna sit more to like right there towards the back tire. So see, it's quiet right now. We're gonna give y'all a few revs. See, it's quiet. That thing sounds like it's being choked. So yeah, it doesn't sound the best stock. So we're gonna change that real fast. So it's kind of loud down here, but pop this one off. Pop that one off. Look how big that factory muffler is. That's fucking ridiculous. So all this is staying on for right now. Those will be gone soon. But yeah, we gotta pop these few off that are on here. Unbolt these, and then from there we'll be good to go. So we're gonna slide out from this way. Look at that ugly ass. It looks like just one pipe that you cut from a junkyard, but yeah, that's gonna be coming off. So we're gonna slide this out and then get the other shit installed. The other muffler, delete the muffler and the resonator. So see how that goes. So we got the factory exhaust out. Look how big that muffler is compared to the Corsa one. So that's why it's gonna be louder. Resonator connecting up this part, and then the rest of that. This is an ugly pipe that was coming out the side. So we're gonna install that, and then it's just these two little sections. So this is just an initial video like before to show you guys tell you guys what happened. So after the clips you've seen of us like we took the stock exhaust off, we tried to put the other one on. I don't want to get really too deep into it, but FedEx took like 3 weeks to deliver the package. FedEx in Northern California is trash. I think it was Ground that was doing it in the location of Roseville. So if you ever have to deal with them, stay on top of it because you will never get your shit. And two, I got sent the wrong exhaust, so we couldn't really do an install video. I had to have my boy do it. He had to modify it, and yeah, I already paid for it. I wasn't gonna get a refund, so at that point might as well use what I got already. So from these other clips you guys will be able to see all the other videos I was talking about: cold start, warm start, revs, etc., drive videos, downshifts. But so as you guys can see, we have the Corsa exhaust on now. We showed you guys a video of what it sounded like with a few revs and a little warm start, I guess you would call it, of what the stock exhaust sound like. So this is a Corsa Extreme catback, and we're gonna see what it sounds like on a little, this is a warm start. So here it is. And then we're gonna give you guys a few revs, and we'll show you guys what it sounds like, and then from there we'll get one from inside the cab and show you what it sounds like. So we're gonna do the one inside the cab first. So it's an official cold start. Let's see what this thing sounds like on an official cold start. Hasn't been started all day since last night.